Hello, I'm Jen from Trotman Indigo Publishing, and I'm going to quickly show you how to use the Career Summary Report on your Indigo Careers Pro account. This video applies only to staff members who have a Careers Pro account. If that isn't you and you'd like to try it out, please don't hesitate to get in touch to have a free trial. Start by logging onto your Indigo account and clicking on the Toolkit button. Then head over to the Reports section on Indigo. Next, you'll see all of the reports that are available to your school, depending on what modules you've included in your subscription. Today, we'll be looking at the Career Summary Report, so just click on that link here. Here, you'll need to select the filters to see the full report. You can filter by class, which is a field that is decided when you upload your students to Indigo, or you can filter by groups, which are groups of students that you create within your own Indigo account. You'll also have to filter by date, and select the time period you'd like to see the results from. Next, click on Apply to see the full report. From here, you'll see all the core fields showing your students' activity and usage. You'll see how many job profiles they've liked, whether they've had a guidance interview with you recently, when their last login was, and more. You can click on the student's name to see their personal career report, the envelope to send them a message, and this button to invite them to a guidance meeting with you. You can also send the entire group a message, for example, to remind them to upload their CV for you to view, and you can download the report either as a PDF document or as a CSV spreadsheet. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this how-to video helpful. If you have any questions about how to use Indigo Careers reports that you want us to cover in other videos, please leave a comment below or email us at hello@indigo.careers, and don't forget to follow Trotman Indigo on social media to get updates about what we're doing, and subscribe to our channel to find all of our help videos in the future.